Okay, for 41, they want us to solve. Okay, we should be getting really good at these, right? 3x squared plus 3x equals 6 plus 3x squared. Subtract 3x squared from both sides, so I'm left with 3x equals 6, x equals 6/3, which is 2. So A comes out to be x is 2. Let's do B up here. 5 over x equals 1/3. Let's cross multiply. X times 1 equals 5 times 3. X equals 15 for that one. C, let me make space. C, I have 5. I'm going to distribute that negative. Minus 2x minus negative 3, that's plus 3, equals negative 3x plus 6. Let's combine like terms. 5 and 3 is 8 minus 2x equals negative 3x plus 6. Add 3x to both sides. 8 plus x equals 6. Subtract 8, x equals negative 2 for C. And D, let's make some room for D. D, I'm going to distribute the 6. 6x minus 18 plus 2x equals, then I'm going to distribute the 4. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 1 is 4. I'm going to combine like terms. 6x and 2x is 8x minus 18. Combine like terms here equals 8x minus 18. Okay, so we can see what happens here. The left-hand side and the right-hand side are exactly the same. You could follow it through, subtract 8x from both sides and get negative 18, right? Negative 18 equals negative 18. And you say, when is that true? That's always true, so the answer to this is all real numbers. And again, what that means is any value you put in for x here is going to make that equation true because the left-hand side and the right-hand side are equivalent.